Go!
Hi guys! For today's video ay kami nga po pala ang Mukbang Girls! Ako po si Sheena.
Ako po si Ashley.
So, ang kakainin namin ngayon ay
Is a surprise!
So, let's go! Dito kami kakain. Yan. Dito dapat kami kakain. So, tapos na pala yung gawa niya. Hindi pa pala tapos.
I-turn nyo naman sila.
Ano yun?
Tour.
Ha?
Tour. Oh.
Tour?
Ano to?
Ayan yung kitchen. And ayan yung table namin pag naggagawa kami ng
Homework.
homework. Dito naman, dito kami kumakain. And dito yung mga toys and food. Yan, medyo magulo lang kasi hindi pa ayos. Yan. And dito naman yung mga maliliit. So, ayan na namin to kasi big na kami. So, eto din, sticker. Para wala na yan. Tapos ito yung next is ito. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Adura.
Shall go.
So, ito nga pala yung mga Jura box. Yan. Ito naman, ito yung mga photo. Ito yung coloring book. Ito nga pala yung coloring book. Yan, madami. Na-color na namin yung iba pero okay pa yan. So, yun lang. Ay! Ito yung mga toys. And madami pang... Ito pala yung mga pang-giveaway. Sorry guys, nagtapon lang. Ashley.
Okay. Okay, kay Ashley naman tayo, guys. Hi, Ashley. What are you doing?
Okay, so now I'm doing the surprise food. And now this is my kitchen. This is where we put all the cold stuff. And then here we put here we put some like foods. And here's the washing machine. And here we put some of our objects in the kitchen. So here, this is our supplies. We're going to use for the surprise food.
Oh, wait lang. Go.
Okay, guys, we're going to go back. We're going to vlog after the food is done. Until next time, bye.